To connect Sony WH-1000XM6 into your new device, then first of all you have to just grab your headphones, and now there's the pairing button, and next to it you can find the indicator. So what we have to do is just to click and hold this pairing button until this indicator starts blinking quickly. So just wait for it. There we go. Now we can release. We are in the pairing mode. So as you can see, we get the quick pairing. You can click connect if you are using phone. But if you are using any other device, you have to actually enter for the boot settings on your PC, on your phone, on your tablet, and simply enter for the new pairing list for the pairing devices, for available devices, and select WH-1000XM6 from the list and accept pairing. And that's it. If you are using phone like iPhone or Android, then you can also download the Sony application that will allows you to get access into all of the features of this headphones. So this is actually the name of this application, Sony Sound Connect.